How to fix Instagram Reels lag. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Instagram Reel lag. If your Instagram Reels are lagging, how you can stop them from lagging and how you can make them smooth, how you can make them run smooth. So let's get into the video. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram account. So when you're watching Reels, sometimes they start lagging. It is very annoying when your Reels stop because they're already short videos, they're not like longer content. So it basically makes a viewer very very frustrated that and you don't even, your Instagram experience is affected by that. So how you can make them unlag, what you're gonna do is you need to open your profile. After coming on to the Instagram, you need to open this profile icon at the top bottom corner of your Instagram. Open that, and in here you are going to find these three lines on the top right corner of your Instagram profile. In here you are going to find an option of settings. Open that. After you open your settings, you are going to find the data usage setting. Okay, so see you have an option of account right here. Click on that, and when you are into your account, you have to find the cellular data usage or a simple data usage. Click on the cellular data usage. Now you can see that you have two options, which is a data saver. When data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. So if this option of you is turned on, then turn it off, because sometimes it lags the video because they are not priorly downloaded when you are watching them, and sometimes if your data is slow, they start lagging and it is very frustrating. And if you want to stop that, you can just turn this option on, and you can upload at highest quality. You can turn this option off or on depending upon the type of the internet that you're using. I recommend having it turned on, because when the net is slower, if you are in some kind of area where the net is slow, you won't be able to see the reels very smoothly. So if this doesn't fix your problem as well, what you can do is you can close your Instagram, and if you're using an Android or Apple, you're using an Android, go on to your Android Play Store, or if you're using an Apple, go to Apple Play Store and search for Instagram. When you do that, you can see there is an update available for my Instagram as well. Go on and update your Instagram, because that is going to solve the reels problem as well. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy.